Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're building a resume or even a one-page website for your portfolio and you would like to include your LinkedIn profile URL, I'm going to show you exactly how to obtain it and how to insert it so that it looks presentable. So let's climb into it. So right here on LinkedIn, what I want to go ahead and do is at the top, you'll see the Me tab. You're going to click on this and click on View Profile. Now, if anybody wants to get hold of you on LinkedIn, this is the link that they need, right? So we're going to use Control-C on our keyboard and copy this. And now you can paste it into your resume. Now, it doesn't matter where you're making your resume, whether you have a one-page website as a portfolio or resume, or you have a resume as a document like this and you'll send this out. It can be absolutely anywhere. Now, what you're going to do is hold in Control and tap on C, and you will now be able to actually use this as your link. Now, there is another way to make it a little bit nicer, clean it up a little bit. We can go ahead and we can type LinkedIn, right? We can now highlight it like this. And at the top, you'll see this icon. It says Insert Link. Now, once you tap on that, you'll see at the top over here, it says Search or Paste Link. You're going to paste that in there and click on Apply. Now, when this is received by somebody that would like to see your resume or your LinkedIn profile, they're going to go ahead and click on this and they'll see this link, and voila, there you go. You're in your LinkedIn account and they can view all the information that they need.